Hi there, welcome back. We are making baked chicken curry today. For this recipe, we'll mix everything in a bowl and bake it. It's that simple. The result, a delicious curry and super tender chicken. Are you ready to make it? Did you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates? 500 grams of boneless chicken breast pieces cut into small cubes. Season it with a bit of salt, black pepper, a teaspoon of vinegar. Mix well so that the salt, pepper and vinegar coats all the pieces. We'll let it rest in the fridge while we prepare the spice mix. This is one large onion sliced thickly and boiled. Once it cools down slightly, grind it to a fine paste. That's out of the fridge, and I'll just drain the water that the chicken pieces have released. Once that is done, let's add in the spices. Kashmiri red chili powder, about 3/4 teaspoon. You could add in more. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, haldi. 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Kasuri methi. You could also add in dhania. So those are the dry ground spices. I'll just give it a quick mix and add in the rest of the ingredients. The boiled onion paste, a tablespoon of dahi, yogurt, 1/4 cup of tomato paste, fresh one, a teaspoon of grated garlic, teaspoon of grated ginger, 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using mustard oil. You could use olive oil or any other vegetable oil that you like. You could add in more. Mix it up very well so that all the ingredients coat all the chicken pieces. The oven is heating up at 180 degrees centigrade. One more thing to add. Add in about 1/2 tablespoon of honey. Now I am using this bowl for cooking, and I already have a stick of cinnamon, few peppercorns and green cardamoms that I have crushed. I'll just add in a tiny bit of oil at the base. Spread it out. Add in the chicken pieces, the spices. Add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of water into the bowl and wash it. Add it in. Spread it out evenly, and that's ready for the oven. Add in a few pieces of cubed butter. This is optional. You could also add in a tablespoon of ghee on top. Cover it. And now we'll take it to the oven. Bake it on the lower rack. So that's how it looks after the 20 minutes. And it's just coming to the boil. So I'll put it for 15 minutes more at 180 and then check again. That's bubbling away. Let me check on it. The chicken is almost done and it smells really good. I'll give it another 15 minutes. If you like the video, share it with your friends and write your feedback in the comment section. If only you could smell it. The chicken is tender and is falling apart. Sprinkle a bit more of the garam masala on top. Some red chili powder. Serve this curry with rice, roti or paratha and enjoy.